Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Stash Invest Setup Recurring Contributions easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Stash Invest app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, log into your existing account or create a new one. After logging in, you'll be directed to your home screen. Look for the Invest tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Invest tab to view your current investments and options. Now locate and select the Recurring Contributions option. This will allow you to set up regular deposits into your Stash account. You may need to link a bank account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account to Stash. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Recurring Contributions section. Select the amount you would like to contribute on a regular basis. Pick the frequency of your contributions, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Review your settings carefully to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming the details, tap on the Setup or Confirm button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your recurring contributions have been set up. Your defined contributions will now automatically transfer from your bank account as scheduled. To manage or modify your contributions, revisit the Recurring Contributions section anytime. That's it. You've successfully set up recurring contributions on Stash Invest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.